Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another tutorial video on my channel, and today's video is on the topic of about how to MAC filter your Wi-Fi router so only you or the people you choose can access it. So without further ado, let's begin. And yeah, so first of all, what you need to do, need you're gonna need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi you want to Mac filter. Like I want to Mac filter my own Wi-Fi right now. Okay, so then you're gonna type the default gateway. It means the gateway that your, how should I put this now? Default gateway is like a browser site with which you can configure your Wi-Fi router. For me, it's 192. Actually, I'll be right back. Alright, so once you're on this site, so in order to know your default gateway router site, all you're gonna do is go over to your Wi-Fi connection network settings, right click on this whatever Wi-Fi you're connected to, hit on status. There are several ways to do this, but this is the most easy and efficient way. Now this dialog will open. All you have to do now is click on details, and it's gonna show. Now this is my default gateway server and whatever, and yeah, that's it. This is gonna be your default server. This is what you have to type in your Google Chrome or whatever browser you use. After that, you're gonna add your username and your password, which will be written at the back of your router. So let me do that real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you log in, you're gonna see a screen like this. Okay, a screen like this. All you have to do is gonna click on advanced, go on wireless, and hit MAC filter. Now disclaimer, or not disclaimer, note it. Now they already gave you a warning. Now I'm gonna explain to you what it is. What is this? Allow note. It says if allow is chosen and MAC filter is empty, WPS will be disabled and you will not be able to access the router wirelessly. What this means is that at default settings, when your router is fresh, it's gonna be disabled. Hit on disabled right here. So do not click on allow unless you put at least one device's MAC filter in here. And let me remove that one real quick because this is useless for me. Yeah, so do not click allow unless you add at least one of them in this, or else your router will be locked and you will need an Ethernet cable, because this happened with me once as well. Let me refresh this page real quick. Alright, now let's go back to where it was. Now the real question is, how do you know your laptop's MAC address or any address? So it's easy. For that, you're gonna need to go right over there where you found your default gateways. Okay, so this is your physical address is gonna be your MAC address or any other device. If you're using a phone, then obviously it's gonna be in your Wi-Fi settings or your about phone settings. So yeah, this is your physical address. You're gonna click on add. Let me remove this real quick. You're gonna click on add like this. Excuse me, didn't I click on it? A dialog like this will come up. All you have to do is now go here and enter this. There's no way you can copy this. 01. Oh, sorry. All you have to do is now type this physical address into this box right here. So that's one way of getting the physical address. What's the other? If you are not sure, if you have to add someone else's Wi-Fi's MAC address in here, so you will not be able to actually end that Wi-Fi that laptop is not connected to any other Wi-Fi. So what you're gonna do is open your CMD, that laptop's CMD command prompt. Excuse me, I typed CMD. Where the hell am I? Once you type CMD, let me get this straight. Open CMD, and there are several commands you can type in here in order to get that. So the first one being, and the most easy one, get Mac. Now, actually pay attention to the way I'm writing this, because don't write this and anywhere else at like anything else. Now, you're gonna type get Mac and hit enter. Now it's gonna take a little time to actually load. Why that didn't load? Wait, I don't know why that didn't load. Let me restart this. Although it loaded the last time. If this command didn't work, there's, oh wait, there it is. Now it's gonna show your physical address, and I believe the third one is gonna be your, it's gonna show all the physical addresses, and the third one will be your Wi-Fi's MAC address. And there's another command that you can use, and that is ipconfig, like this, ipconfig space /off. Now once after typing this, hit on enter, and again, yeah, that's gonna show all the what should I call this, description of your computer. So now if you wanna find your wireless LAN adapter connection number 2, so now it's gonna be right here, wireless LAN adapter connection, wireless network connection 2. It's your physical address. Now this one is your physical address. This is one is gonna be your physical address. Or if you go a little bit down here, it's gonna show you everything that you need to know about your laptop. This is your physical address. So that's how you actually know the physical address, and you can also find the default gateway with this command. So that's why it's a little better, if you ask me. So now you're gonna actually right click and mark. Now this is, I believe, is now marked, if you wanna do it that way, but for me I don't wanna do it that way. Yeah, oh yeah, this is the way you can mark this, and actually press the Ctrl plus C button in order to copy this from here. So after this, all you have to do, now this was a way in which you can actually check your laptop / computer's MAC address. So after that, simply just copy this and add here. Once you're done, click apply and save, and it's gonna save it to here. Now, but remember this. Now, if you add one, like for example, if I add this laptop only, it's gonna become the host, and it will only, this laptop will be allowed to actually access the router and allow other people to access this. Now, do not hit allow. Now I'll be able to hit allow. I'm gonna hit allow. For example, if this was disabled, I'd hit allow after adding it in here. So right, so after that, you're simply gonna close the page and come back after adding. So that's the how you add a laptop's MAC address into your router. I use PDCL. If you use TP-Link or any other thing, you are just gonna have to find your default link, default gateway on your browser. Oh, router, sorry. I just told you the command. You can add in command prompt, or just go into here or type status in order to status. Yeah, so I hope you liked this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then like this video, tutorial videos, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more future tutorials. And also tell me in the comments below on which thing you want to see a tutorial next. With that being said, I am Gogeto. Allah Hafiz.